Good morning, children. How are you? Yeah. Already explained third lesson, no? Everybody written e-book, textbook part, everything, no? Yeah. Now I am going to explain fourth lesson. Fourth lesson. What is everybody open your textbook. All are having textbooks, no? Yeah. Open your textbook and see that lesson name part 4 Gada out either. Gada out either. Gada means donkey. Either means jackal. Jackal means fox. Like a fox will be no the donkey and the jackal. Just I am reading the lesson. I'll explain also. Okay. एक गधा था वह धोबी के यहाँ रहा करता था. धोबी मैले कपड़ों को गधे की पीठ पर लादकर सुबह नदी पर कपड़े धोने जाता था. वह दिन भर कपड़े धोता और उन्हें सुखाता. शाम को धुले हुए कपड़ों को गधे की पीठ पर लादकर उन्हें घर ले आता. गधा दिन भर नदी के किनारे चरता रहता. रात को भी धोबी उसे चरने के लिए खुला छोड़ देता. अतः उसे गधे के खाने की कोई चिंता नहीं थी. Okay, ma, first para I am reading. Everybody open your textbook. While I am reading time, see the textbook where I am reading. There you keep your finger. एक गधा था. गधा मने what I told. गधा मने donkey. देखो से one donkey. गधा मने donkey. देखो से donkey. वहाँ धोबी के यहाँ रहा करता था. Who lived with the washerman? धोबी मने washerman. धोबी मने washerman. Washerman you know no? Who will untidy clothes cleaning and everything they will do no? They are the washermans. गधा, donkey, धोबी, washerman. Who lived with the washerman? The donkey is living with the washerman. धोबी मैले कपड़ों का गट्टर गधे की पीठ पर लादकर सुबह नदी पर कपड़े धोने जाता था. What daily washerman what he will do? He will clean the clothes. What untidy clothes will be no? They used to clean no. That work only he is doing daily. What he is doing? The donkey is to take untidy clothes to the lake as it helped the washerman. वह दिन पर कपड़े धोता और उन्हें सुखाता. The washerman took whole day to wash the clothes. The washerman took a whole day to wash the clothes. शाम को धुले हुए कपड़ों को गधे की पीठ पर लाद कर उन्हें घर ले आता. What he is doing? शाम मने evening. शाम मने evening. Whole day he is cleaning, washing clothes only. Whole day, morning to evening he is washing clothes. Why? Because his work only that, his duty only that only no. That's why he is morning he is going evening with the after cleaning the clothes, everything spreading after drying after he is coming to home. Evening he is coming to home. शाम मने evening. शाम को धुले हुए कपड़ों को गधे की पीठ पर लादकर उन्हें घर ले आता. What he is doing? शाम को he is to take the donkey dry clothes to his house by the donkey. Daily evening he is to take the dry clothes to his house by the donkey. And next evening daily he is coming to home with the donkey. And the गधा दिन भर नदी के किनारे चरता रहता. What washerman is washing the clothes. Washerman is washing the clothes. Whole day he is washing no. And donkey what donkey will do? Donkey what he is doing you know? The donkey ate the grass whole day near the lake. Nadi mane lake. Nadi mane lake. Near the lake. What for donkey no work no? That's why donkey is eating the grass. What lake beside grass will be no. He is eating the grass whole day. He is eating the grass. रात को भी धोबी उसे चरने के लिए खुला छोड़ देता. What he is doing? Morning also he is living for grass and रात मने night. रात मने night. रात मने night. रात को भी धोबी उसे चरने के लिए खुला छोड़ देता. What he is doing? Morning to evening he is eating, donkey is eating grass, and what he is doing night time also he is leaving the donkey for eating grass. Next, अतः उसे गधे के खाने की कोई चिंता नहीं. What the donkeys did not worry about the food. Why? Because morning to evening, after going to home also he is leaving. Washerman is leaving the donkey for eating food. That's why donkey is not bothering about the food. Why? Because everywhere donkey is going and eating. That's why easily coming. That's why donkeys did not worry about the food. एक रात गधे की मुलाकात एक गीदड़ से हुई. One night the donkey met a jackal. One night the donkey met a jackal. गीदड़ माने donkey. One night the गीदड़ माने jackal. One night the donkey met a jackal. Jackal everybody knows, no? Yeah. दोनों में दोस्ती हो गई. Both had become friends. They become very good friends. रात होते ही दोनों भोजन की तलाश में साथ साथ घूमने लगते. Every night the donkey and the jackal used to search their food. Every night the jackal and the donkey used to search their food. Every night, daily night. Watchman is leaving the donkey for food. That's why the jackal is coming and donkey also coming. Both are going for searching for food. Next, एक दिन घूमते घूमते दोनों मित्र एक खेत में घुस गए. एक दिन घूमते घूमते दोनों मित्र एक खेत में घुस गए. One day both friends hidden in one farmland. Farmland माने खेत माने farmland. खेत माने farm. खेत माने farmland. Farmland అంటే పొలం. తెలుసు కదా మీ అందరికి పొలం? Yes. In that one day what happened? एक दिन घूमते घूमते दोनों मित्र एक खेत में घुस गए. One day both friends hidden in one farmland. उस समय खेत का मालिक सो रहा था. At that time what happened? The owner of the farmland slept when the what happened? उस समय खेत का मालिक माने ओनर. That time who is sleeping in the farmland? Malik. Owner is sleeping in the Malik माने owner. Owner is sleeping in the farmland. उन्होंने भरपेट खरबूजे और तरबूज खाए. The both friends are eating nicely खरबूजे. खरबूजे means watermelon. खरबूजे means खरबूजा. खरबूजे, मस्कमेलन, तरबूजे. watermelon. Everybody knows no खरबूजा. tarbuza, no, watermelon and muskmelon, no, bharpet, full stomach they ate. Both they ate the kharbuze, watermelon, muskmelon and watermelon they ate. Full stomach fully they ate. पेट भर जाने पर गधा खुशी से झूम उठा. What happened? As the stomach filled, the donkey jumped with a lot of happiness. What happened? Stomach filled, no? Gada and jackal stomach fully they ate. That's why what happened? Gada felt very happy and he jumped like anything. He felt very happy and he jumped like anything. उसने गीदड़ से कहा and he is saying to jackal, who donkey is saying to jackal, मित्र, my dear friend, देखो, once you see आसमान में तारे कैसे टिमटिमा रहे हैं. See once the sky how its stars are glittering, nicely glittering, no. वातावरण भी कितना सुंदर है. See atmosphere, वातावरण माने weather also very nice, no, very beautiful weather, no. मेरा तो आज गाने का मन कर रहा है. What I want to sing a song now. Why? Because weather is very nice and our stomach also very filled with fruits we ate nicely. Tarbuze and kharbuze we ate nicely. That's why I am feeling very happy. That's why I want to sing a song. Who is saying? Gada is saying to whom? Gidad. Jackal says saying. With the jackal says saying. What? I want to sing a song. And गीदड़ बोला, रहने दो, तेरा गाना सुनकर किसान जग जाएगा और मार मार कर हमारा कचुमार निकल देगा. What he गीदड़ told? गीदड़ बोला, गीदड़ is saying, रहने दो, just keep, wait, तेरा गाना सुनकर किसान जग जाएगा. What happened? If you will sing a song, what will happen? You know that Malik mane owner will got up. He will get up while listening your voice. और मार कर हमारा कचमार निकल देगा. What? He will beat like anything. Our skin also he will peel out and he will crush out. Okay? He will crush down. That's why chup raho, be silent, don't make anything. Like that, who is saying? Gidad is saying, jackal is saying. To whom? Gada saying, donkey saying. And crushed them like anything. Gada bola, then donkey saying, अरे देख तो सही मैं कितना अच्छा गाता हूँ. Had not listened to the jackal and they too sang the song. See, listen my dear, how I will sing once you listen. Just my voice also very sweet. Just once I will sing. Listen my dear. Who is saying? Gada is saying to whom? Gidad saying. यह कहकर गधा जोर जोर से रोकने लगा. The donkey with a hard voice started braying. How it is? Donkey's voice is very sweet, no? Huh? Very sweet? No, it is very harsh. Correct? Like that. Yeah. Like that. What he started? Hard voice started braying. Okay. गीदड़ समझदार. हाँ. गीदड़ समझदार. समझदार माने intelligent. समझदार माने intelligent. What he is very clever. Who is समझदार माने clever. गीदड़ is very clever. गीदड़ समझदार था. His jackal had understood the future as it was very clever. What happened? What will going to happen? He is understood everything. Who? गीदड़ jackal is understood. That's why what happened? वहाँ समझ गया था कि आगे क्या होने वाला. What will happen in future? He is understood everything. That's why what he is doing, what he will do. इसलिए वहाँ धीरे धीरे खेत से बाहर निकल गया. What happened? Slowly the jackal left the farm. Slowly. धीरे धीरे मने slowly. धीरे धीरे मने slowly. इसलिए that's why वहाँ jackal was slowly the jackal left the farm. गधे के रेंकने के आवाज सुनकर खेत का मालिक जग गया. What happened? This Gada is nicely singing, no? That sweet voice. That is sweet voice? No. That is harsh voice. She is singing only, not stopping at all. While singing only, he that went out. And गधे के रेंकने की आवाज सुनकर खेत का मालिक जग गया. The owner had woken up by listening donkeys bray. Donkeys bray. उसने लाठी उठाई और दौड़ता हुआ गधे के पास आया. Suddenly the owner came toward the donkey with a stick. लाठी माने stick. लाठी माने stick. He brought one stick and he went to the nearby the donkey and गधे के पास आया. And उसने पहले तो गधे को खूब पीटा. What he did first? The farmer bet the donkey his back. Peat mane back. నడుము ఉంటుంది కదా ఇక్కడ, దట్ వన్. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేశాడంట, లాఠీ తీసుకుని గట్టిగా ఈ నడుము మీద గట్టిగా కొట్టాడంట फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट फिर उसने गधे के गले में एक भारी पत्थर बांध दिया. What he did next? With first he bet like anything with the stick here. Peat माने back अन्नమాట. నడుము మీద గట్టిగా కొట్టాడు. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఏం చేశాడు నెక్స్ట్ టైం, गले में एक भारी पत्थर. What he did? The farmer tied the donkey with a heavy stone on donkey's neck. పెద్ద రాయి తీసుకుని, చాలా పెద్ద రాయి మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా, ఏం చేస్తారు బఫెలోస్ వీటన్నిటికి మెడలో గట్టిగా పెద్ద పెద్ద వేసేలా కడుతూ ఉంటారు కదా, తొందరగా పారిపోకుండా, తొందరగా వెళ్ళిపోకుండా, స్లోగా నడవడానికి. అలాగా పెద్ద పత్తర్ తీసుకుని, పత్తర్ అనే బిగ్ స్టోన్ అనమాట. బిగ్ స్టోన్ తీసుకుని దాన్ని మెడలో టైప్ చేసేసాడు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ गधा चलता तो वहां पत्थर उसके दोनों अगले पैरों से टकराता. What गधा? When the donkey started running, the rock was injuring the front legs. Both front donkeys having 4 legs, no? Yeah, 4 legs. He tied here, no? One big stone he tied, no? The neck he tied, no? The donkey's neck. While running time, what that patthar is injuring the both front legs. Okay, next. अतः गधा बड़ी मुश्किल से चलकर केव के बाहर तक आ सका. बड़ा मुश्किल. अतः finally what happened? With so much of difficulty. अतः गधा बड़ी मुश्किल माने difficulty. With so much of difficulty, the donkey had come out from the farm. The donkey come out from the farm. What happened? Both legs are injuring. He is running. We can't run. No, injuring the legs. We can't run. No, that's why that the legs are injuring. In the neck, full big stone is there. That's why he is cannot running properly, and very difficultly he came out from the farm. इधर खेत के बाहर खड़ा होकर गधे के लौटने की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा था. प्रतीक्षा माने waiting. The jackal was waiting for the donkey outside the farm. The jackal is waiting for the donkey outside the farm. कर रहा था. गीदड़ ने गधे को देखकर कहा, सचमुच तुमने बहुत अच्छा खाया. And the jackal is saying, the jackal said, the donkey had sung so beautifully, sang very nicely, very beautiful. Your voice is very beautiful. You sang very nicely, beautifully, which attracted a lot, and also the farmer felt so good. What he said, सचमुच तुमने बहुत अच्छा गाया. Really you sang very nicely. Your voice also very beautiful. सुनकर किसान का दिल खुश हो गया. He felt farmer. किसान माने farmer. Farmer felt very good. That's why and he lot and also the farmer felt so good. इसलिए तो उसने इतना भारी इनाम तुम्हारे गले में लटका दिया. So that's why farmer has given a big gift to which was a medal. Why? Because medals only we are wearing in the neck, no? That's why what either is saying. That's why he felt very good and he feel very good. He felt very. Your voice is very beautiful. That's why he felt very good. That's why he has given big inam. Inam money gift. Big gift he has given to you. Okay. दिया. इनाम तुम्हारे गले में लटका दिया. यह सुनकर गधे का सिर लज्जा से जमीन में गड़ गया. By listening words of the jackal, the donkey had bended his neck to his head towards the ground with shy. What happened? By listening this all the words, he felt very shy and his head also bent the head. అంటే చాలా షై ఫీల్ అయిన తర్వాత మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మనం ఏం తప్పు చేసినా లేకపోతే పక్కన వాళ్ళ మాట వినకపోయినా మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పేది మనం వినకపోయినా మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మనం ఏం తప్పు చేస్తాం అనుకుంటే ఏం చేస్తాం, వాళ్ళు మనకి ఏదైనా బాధ కలిగి పక్కన వాళ్ళకి బాధ కలిగిలా మనం చేసినా లేకపోతే మనం ఉన్నదాంతో తృప్తి పడకుండా పక్క వాళ్ళకి హార్మ్ఫుల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం రియలైజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, వెంటనే మనం షై ఫీల్ అవుతాం. షై ఫీల్ అయ్యి వెంటనే మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, తలని ఇలాగా ఉంచుకుని ఉంటాం కదా. లైక్ దట్ దిస్ డాంకీ ఆల్సో ఫెల్ట్ లైక్ దట్. దట్స్ వై హీ బెండ్ ద head. That's why he bent the head. What is the moral of the story? Understood now? Everybody understood now? What is the moral of the story? Moral: we should satisfy with whatever the things given to us. We should satisfy what we are having. We should satisfy. మనకి ఏమైతే ఉందో దాంతో మనం తృప్తిగా ఉండాలి, చక్కగా హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. See what we did. Geether and Gada, jackal and the donkey, they are good friends. What they went. Gada is daily eating the grass nicely, morning to evening, evening to night, evening to morning. Daily full stomach fully he is eating daily, but even though he is not satisfying, donkey is not satisfying at all. That's why he went to with the jackal. They both went to the farm. In farm also they ate nicely. Eating after they did not come out. What he did? Donkey is feeling very happy. After that he sang nicely, and farmer also given very nice good gifts. Correct now? That's why what we are having, in that we should satisfy. Okay? Okay ma? And what you should do? No? This lesson, full lesson you should read. And what is the hard words? What is the hard words? Oh, underline with pencil and write in HW. Okay ma? Neatly. Leave a line and write neatly. Okay? Thank you.